Lead to brakes. Bam. Alignment exhaust. Check foot. Man, our list is definitely getting smaller. I need to get them longer bolts for the bottom of the rear shocks. Welcome to United by Trucks. It is Tuesday, 2 days before we leave to go to LST. As you can see where we left you in the last video, Teddy's bagged, Teddy runs, Teddy's got a new cooling system that is currently leaking some antifreeze. We're gonna deal with that. But it's time to go to alignment and it's time to go to exhaust. So we're gonna jump this thing, drive it down the road to alignment, and then take it over to our buddy Brian Jones for exhaust. So y'all come on. Alright guys, first ride in Teddy. Got a little bit of a chirp. First drive, here we go. Straight to alignment. And then exhaust. Try not to turn the wheel too sharp just yet. Here we go. Like I need some dang earplugs in this thing. Rolling in Teddy, baby. Okay guys, we're at Vic Williams to get an alignment. We'll see how long this takes. Hopefully it goes well. So, leaving Vic Williams, they got the truck aligned. Really appreciate them taking on a airbagged project to get it aligned, but we're headed to exhaust now. So that's about ride height. And as you can see, woo, front wheels and tires look a lot more straight up and down. No, we don't have the hood on. Oh yeah, good to go. So we're headed over to my buddy Brian Jones, new friend of mine, his friend of Mike's, and Wesley and Churchill's does his exhaust. So we're gonna head over to his place, get these Boiler Pro XS rerun on this truck. So here we go. Okay guys, so we're out here at Brian's. So this is a local sort of backyard shop, and these guys are gonna get us taken care of. They've done a lot of exhaust work for Mike and Churchill and Wesley before. So Brian, just an old school hot rodder, knows a lot about this kind of stuff, and he's gonna try to get us fixed up here. We're actually gonna try to get the pipes as far out the back as we can. Not sure if we'll be able to run them all the way out the back because of the tank and air compressors and all that stuff, but good chance we might be able to get these things pretty far out the back. So Brian's gonna work some of his tricks and see what we can do, but really excited to have this thing here. So we're gonna drop it off here with Brian, and as soon as they get it done, we'll come back and get it and show you the work they've done. So Anna came to pick me up at Brian's, and we're wearing our matching CK gear today. And look who's in Uncle Buck. Y'all think Anna don't know nothing about these trucks? Wrong. All right, so we'll catch up with you when we come back to pick up the truck. Look who I got.
What's up, guys?
The next day after we dropped Teddy off at Exhaust with Brian. So Brian's texted me, let me know that it's ready. So we're coming to pick it up now. We leave in the morning. We still got a couple things to do. I'll tell you about what those things are here a little bit later, but yeah, we're headed to pick up the truck now from Exhaust. I'm gonna show you what it looks like under it. I think he still got it up on the lift, and yeah, I'm really excited. So y'all hang tight. We'll catch up with you at Brian's here in just a minute. So you got it the way you want it.
We've been working on this little jewel.
I think you got it the way I want it.
Kind of tucked them up there where you.
Oh my gosh, man.
And I made it so the next poor guy that has to work on it, which will probably be either you or mine,
yeah,
can't actually work. We flanged it right here so that it'll come apart.
Yeah. Man.
And we band clamped the tailpipe into the muffler to where if you do have to take it apart, you got to work on it, you can unbolt it from here, take the band clamp loose, slide the tailpipe out, and take the muffler off. So,
Brian, thank you very much. Fist bump.
You know, it just looks great, man.
It's just the simple things.
Better to do it that way than weld it all in one piece.
Yeah.
And then the next poor guy that has to do something to it, you know, he has to cut it apart. He's sawing it off apart. You know,
so
good, man. I don't even want to take it down.
I know, gosh. All right, so I'm gonna walk you from the front to the back real quick. So, tied right into. Actually, did you tie into it? Yeah, you tied right into the collector that Mike made there with an O2 sensor in it. And then it just runs straight back. So remember, guys, we left the factory cross member in, but it had holes cut in it for the pass-through. So Brian utilized that, but then shored everything up like he said, and then made this where it's completely unboltable. Runs there. Same thing here, as Brian just said, you can unbolt it here after the muffler and then before it, and then it crosses over. Right here's the frame rail, crosses over and goes outside the frame rail to get around, well, to get around tank, shocks, all that busyness, and comes outside the frame rail. And for the first time ever on a bagged or low truck, I've got pipes that come out the rear. Man, this looks great. You guys did an awesome job. Yeah, awesome job.
To come over because we don't know how much that travels.
Yeah, right.
You know, we know it.
Yeah, it's gonna lay all the way down in there.
And that ain't no room.
Right. Well, it looks great.
You go with the little bitty pipe.
Yeah. No, this looks.
That's 2.5.
This looks awesome. So you ran a hanger.
Yeah.
Right there.
That's why I crossed over as quick as I could.
Right at the compressor and the.
When this pivots up, this won't never get no closer.
Yeah, man, this looks fantastic.
Yeah, that won't. So he should be able to lay it.
Okay, guys, I'm really excited. We're gonna get this thing on the ground, let you hear what it sounds like real quick, and catch up with you here in a minute. We're driving this thing to Texas in the morning, all the way.
Roger, is this thing a 5.3?
It is, yeah, 5.3 with a 4L60.
Okay.
got plenty of room. Let's see this bad boy. Awesome. So, oh yeah.
Yeah, see, we still probably got 2.5, 3 inches right there.
Plenty of room.
Yeah, we're good.
Plenty of room up front. Man, this is awesome. I'm loving that. Okay, well, there's the exhaust. Hey, Rock, leave it a little gas. Give it a little more. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Romp it good. There we go. Perfect. Guys, I'm pumped. Moment of truth right here. This is an exciting moment, people.
Mike's excited face.
Gonna wash it.
We about to have a hood on set. Start the door. All right, guys, so one thing we noticed last night is previous owner wrote the compression in each cylinder under the hood. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4 on this side, 155 PSI, 160, 160, 160, 155, 165, 160, 160. Pretty cool. I have no idea what this LS has. Moment of truth, man. Close her down. Let's see our gaps. Woo-wee. Man, this thing's got some patina on it. How is it fitting?
Is it too close right here? Because it's not touching back here.
Oh, it was way worse than that before.
Yeah.
It actually had a larger gap on this side before. Like it had a big gap here and then got way tiny as it went back.
Before?
Like before we wrecked it. Yeah, it had this kind of gap, but not quite that bad.
Well, it needs to come this way, right? Because that gap's
Yeah, it can for sure.
non-existent almost.
It looks good right here, but back there in the back it does not.
Yeah, the fenders are too close.
I'm gonna pull the cowl so we can get to the fenders. Deal with that in a second. Ready? Let's go get away with it. This is almost it. Mike's tightening up the shock, and this is Teddy 2.0. all aired up. So let me lay it down for you. We're gonna check some fluids and go for a test drive. The passenger side doesn't want to go down as much as the driver's side. Yeah, it's weird. There must be more weight over here or something. I don't know. There it is. Teddy 2.0. Man, I love this truck. Oh yeah. So I've still got to wash it. The whole front clip's got like a whole green mossy residue on it, but really digging how it looks. And loving the exhaust. Comes out right there on both sides. See, pretty clean engine bay. We don't have any fender wells in it yet, but we will at some point. Continental DWS tires with Detroit steel wheels. Simple, clean engine bay. Hooker Blackheart LS manifolds with Vintage Motors fan shroud and LS swap radiator. Spow fans from Holly. And almost tripped over right there. Man, I ain't mad about that at all. Okay, we're gonna go run it around the block, check some fluids. We'll let you know. Hey guys, we got two of our most requested tees back in stock on UnitedByTrucks.com. We got the Teddy tee and we got the Smoky tee. Any merch you buy goes directly towards these builds, so really appreciate all the support. Head over to UnitedByTrucks.com. Pick yourself up some UBT gear today. Cue the music.